Okay, look, I'm making this video real quick. I got a 2009 Ford F-150 Lariat, and my battery had went dead a few days ago, and I jumped it, but it kind of reset my radio, so my Bluetooth ain't working. So I look a few things up or whatever, and it says something about changing a fuse. But let me see here. If I go to my screen and try to go to media. When I go here, it's like it's playing the jukebox, but when I hit user device, let me see, it says this, connect error, see dealer. Like, it won't let me go to no device, or it won't even show me no Bluetooth options or nothing. So I'm gonna try to reset it from the fuse box, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so this is what they say the fuse box is. This on the passenger side, and they say you just take this panel off. I probably gotta take this out, hold on. Okay, they say you gotta get into this panel down here where the fuses is at, on your passenger side, down by where the feet go. So, you just take that off. Then you see the fuse box. You gotta take that cover off. Let's see, take that cover, let me see how the cover come off. Oh, okay. You just squeeze the little clips, the cover comes off. And they say, I want to say, they said mine is the second one down, the 15. The second blue down from the top. It's supposed to be mine. So I got some needle nose pliers here. I'm gonna, some of these. I'm gonna pull that out, wait for about 30 seconds, see what happens. But check your owner's manual to make sure that's the one for yours. Like I said, I got a 2009 Ford F-150 Lariat, and I'm gonna try it, see. I'll be back. Okay, so correction, that was on a video I seen, so I had to go on my owner's manual. Mine's the saying is number 13, which is 5A, the 5 amp one right there, right here. So I'm gonna pull that out, see what happens. It says it's for my sink, that's one of them, so let's see what that does. Okay, so that didn't do nothing. So the next one I gotta try is number 39, it's saying, which is based on a diagram, is the second from the bottom, like right here, 39, and it's like a 20 amp. So I'm gonna try that one next. That's for the whole radio and everything. Oh, let me see. Okay, that turned the radio off because it was just on. So they say leave it out for maybe like 30 seconds or so. I'm gonna maybe do like a minute, then I'll be back. I'm gonna leave it out for like 30 seconds or so, maybe a minute, and I'll be back to see if it resets. Okay, so I waited about a minute or two, put it back in, down on number 39. Turn the radio on, see what it does. See if it resets. If not, I gotta troubleshoot some more. Okay, right here I had to mute it because of the music playing in the background. I don't want to get copywritten, so I'm still troubleshooting, trying to see what I gotta press. Yep, then I just pressed media, and the options popped up. Oh, okay. Maybe it is working because it didn't do that before. It says connecting. Turn this light off. Okay, so connect device. So let me try to connect my device. I'll be right back, see if it worked. Okay, yep, so it worked. It's connected to my Z Fold 7, so that's what it was. Like I said, from the original, in the beginning of the video, like I said, my battery had went dead, I jumped it, and then it kind of reset my stereo, so I took the fuse out, number 39 on mine, 2009 Ford F-150 Lariat. Took the fuse out for about a minute or two, put it back in, turned it on, and reset. Now I can go to my Bluetooth for those who might find this useful. All right, y'all.